Well, good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down on the layout, and we had to clean out the Devil's Den pass over there, Devil's Curve, because dirty track. Now we've got a big locomotive, an Athlon switcher helper, and this homemade track cleaning car. And the way it works is it's got a big weight, and just that rests right on. See, this thing kind of floats and goes right down, and it's got a carpet pad that you would put on the bottom of a piece of furniture. And the goal is that goes around and yeah, but that's on the wrong power pack. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, that's a powerful drag. Wow, they can barely drag it. Oh, it's derailed. Great. Now it's derailed here. No, no good. No good. No good. Oop. Just lost something, the DeLorean. Okay, how did that happen? I have to come back here. Well, what we've got here are two big Athlon locomotives that are very powerful, but yet they are struggling to pull that one car, which is a specially designed track cleaning car with a heavy weight on it and a slab of protective carpet sticker that it's really floor protection. And we put it on the bottom of furniture, but I concocted a track cleaning car, and that goes around softly brushing away the dirt, scraping it up without damaging the nickel silver track. But boy, it weighs a ton. And then you got two locomotives, and it's not easy dragging that thing around. And that's at pretty much full power, 3/4 power, maybe 80% power. So hopefully the durability of Athlon will get them to go through the dead zones. See, they just made it through the dead zone. And they're dragging that hauling ass with that car. Sounds like it's even derailed. Oh, separated. Now one loco's dragging it. Let's take a look at what happened. Okay, he's fine. Just a bad coupler. Oh wow, it's dragging it with a derailed, two derails. That's pretty amazing. I'm gonna have to stop it.